You're recording.
This is like tornado winds.
Yeah, that was
We here holding on to our sliding door because the wood we had, the top wood bust off gone. All wood off of our window gone. The whole house soaking wet. You see these winds out here? Look how walk. Telling you. The creator showing himself, right?
who?
Creator.
I know.
You look how walk.
But the glass wouldn't break, right?
But this is what we holding it so she wouldn't flex too much.
Yeah. But how long you gonna hold it? That's the thing.
Until we got cause we can't afford for this to go. That you got hold it better than that. You don't hold this short. This though we had to pay more for attention to no.
Tight on the surge.
We should have put crack behind this door too. Nella,
These doors are going.
Nella, try and get some. What is it? Nella,
Mad.
see if you could get something to dry this floor so it wouldn't slip so I can hold it those strong.
Right?
Yeah, look how. Alright guys, I gotta go because I gotta hold this door.